Welcome to USA MEX LTL. In this video, we'll guide you through the key steps of using our freight calculator. Let's get started. First, log into the portal by selecting Quote Now and entering the following credentials. Username, USA MEX. Password, Quote Me. If you have a credit term account, enter your assigned username and password. To create a quote, select Get a Quote from the home screen. Start by choosing your desired pickup date. You can schedule up to 7 days in advance. Use the calendar symbol for future shipments or the widget to enter today's date. It is the same process to enter a domestic or an international quote. If the postal code is known for pickup and delivery, enter those codes. If the postal codes are not known, simply type the city name and select the correct option from the drop-down menu. If prompted, select from the suggested postal codes. Postal codes provide the most accurate results, especially for countries with duplicate city names. Postal codes are mandatory for the USA, Canada, and Europe. Now, choose your shipment type: freightable items for LTL, air freight or LCL shipments, or full container for containerized ocean shipments. Enter the shipment's weight and dimensions. You can input these in either imperial or metric units. If you have pieces of different sizes, use the Add Item button. If you're shipping domestically, USA MEX accepts hazardous materials, but make sure to indicate any pallets containing hazardous goods. The system will not return rates for international hazardous shipments. If you are importing goods containing lithium batteries, please email customer service for a spot quote. Select any additional services by clicking Choose Services. It is important that you select all the services required for an accurate quote. For example, shipments that are not dock-to-dock will require lift gates and sometimes additional services. Once you've made your selections, click Get Rating to generate your quote. Our system will now calculate your quote. A summary of the details will appear top left. The quote itself will appear in the center. Quotes default to the cheapest first. You may filter the results using the panels to the left. Pay attention to your terms of sale. Do you need a door-to-door quote, Ex Works, or a port-to-door quote, FOB? USA MEX LTL recommends you buy Ex Works from your suppliers. Our freight rates will be considerably less than they will charge you, including the inland portion of the freight. This also gives us more control of the pickup at origin. Transit times are always displayed, and you can switch between air and ocean until you find the transit time and price that suits your needs. To book your quote, email the rating reference number to customer service at usamexltl.com. You will find the rating reference number in the summary panel, top left. For domestic shipments, please indicate which carrier and rate you wish to book. For international shipments, specify whether you prefer air or ocean, and whether it's door-to-door or port-to-door, or simply specify the dollar price of the routing you wish to book. Our customer service staff will review your quote, and once validated, the quote will be returned to you along with a payment link. Once payment is received, we will book the cargo and provide you a tracking link and shipment file number. Use the link to monitor your shipment's progress in real time. And that's it. Using the USA MEX portal is quick and easy. If you have any questions, reach out to us at customer service at usamexltl.com or call 844-876-9585. Thank you for choosing USA MEX LTL.